somewhere where there's cheese. Oh, good job I greased the bearings. Did you check the bread? 60 seconds to last off. No crackers, Gromit. Disappointing the crackers. Hold on, Gromit. Hold on. It's my turn for breakfast this morning, Gromit. Porridge today, lad. Tuesday. Isn't supposed to do that. Don't worry, madam. Give you some egg. Where'd you get that from? That's my machine. I've got patent pending on that. It's only battled in from here, Pat. I've got a bog in the balance. Oh no, Gromit. What's this? Help! Get me down! Help! Get me down, Miss Kingston! Oh, that's quite enough. Don't be hearing from my solicitor about it. POV 6000 map, capable of over 125 RPM. That's rabbit fun.
Heard you have a spotted rabbit problem. Triple spin on that.
Hang in there, Gromit. Everything's under control. Good boy, Gromit, lad. Well done. Well, that went as well as could be expected. Well done, Chuck. Oh, that was riveting.